Hello. This year, as we celebrate National Nurses and Hospital Week, it gives me time to reflect back on the last 12 months. When I do so, it makes me think of how all of you have adapted to the changing environment, as well as the compassionate care that you continue to deliver towards our patients. More importantly, I would also recognize the resiliency that all of you have shown to rise to the challenge that each one of you have faced throughout the past year. So on behalf of the Board of Directors, the Executive Management Team, and me personally, we thank you. We thank you for your continued dedication. We thank you for creating such a compassionate, caring environment for our patients who come in to trust the care that you deliver.
The enjoyment I get from working in healthcare is seeing happy faces, making people happy that I've been able to find supplies for them. I've been able to help take care of the patients. My job is to keep the hospital in supplies, and as long as I can do that, I feel like I've done a good thing.
What it means for me to work in healthcare, working in the IT department, is to enable people to take care of our patients. And it's not limited to nurses and doctors, but there's a lot of other clinicians who care for our patients, and they rely on technology to do their jobs every single day.
Working in healthcare for me means making a connection with someone when they are vulnerable and they need someone to advocate for them.
Specifically in nursing, I love the aspect of our job that we get to not just cure people and not just fix things, but also get to nurture and get to be there for the journey of healing and really get to be part of that process that patients go through.
What I enjoy about working here is the people I work with and knowing that they want to make a difference and really care about the patient, and I believe we put the patient first when we make decisions.
For me, working in healthcare is an opportunity to give, especially mental health and substance use, it's an opportunity to give patients agency over their lives, because the very nature of mental illness and substance use disorder makes patients feel like they don't have any control over their life.
My staff, the people I see my employees out there every day helping keep this place safe and clean by simply disinfecting, keeping our patients clean, keeping our coworkers clean, and dedicated to their work they do. And they do it with pride.
I'm the manager of employee health. Our employees are our patients. So I enjoy making sure that they're healthy, making sure that they're safe, making sure that when they come to work, they leave as healthy as they came and no injury, no illnesses happen to them during the day.
I think the most impactful moment is being able to tell a patient that everything's okay. Getting the word from a radiologist that what they felt was not anything alarming. What we see is normal tissue, everything's okay, and to just see the relief on people's faces. I've gotten a lot of hugs.
My work impacts patients because nutrition plays a very vital part to patients' healing process.
Our work impacts patients by giving them really timely and accurate results. We want to make sure that they can have accurate information for their treatments or progress plans. So in case a patient's having a stroke or a heart attack, we want to know as soon as possible. We also want to know what's going on with the patient, whether or not an antibiotic might be working or what kind of organism might be affecting that patient. So we try to get them as accurate results as soon as possible to make sure that everyone on their team can react and give the patient the best outcome.
I love going to a patient room, introducing myself, and just saying, how can I help you? What do you need today, right? And having that simple human touch, interaction, eye to eye, and really just bending and say, hey, how are you doing? How can I help you today? And you know what's meaningful for me? If I get like a smile and said, oh, thank you for coming to visit me, or thank you for helping me for I need some help. It means a lot to me.
Thank you.
For your excellence.
Teamwork.
Commitment.
Compassion.
Resilience.
And dedication.